And that Omanpenyi Ekufuado, eye adebi na mabonse mwamano, papa. Etiefo mabonse mwamano enye easy. Na I know say me yobia. Ebi mu hume say I am one of the biggest critic of Ekufuado's government. Just like how I critique every other thing. Bibia media mi susu say enye no meba abonten aba be criticize it. And that me na meba abonten meka say information ministry wo mo ye nyama bi afa corona ne ho a meni enje ho. Say soldiers ebo Ghana for mo ba abonten e betwa ntro anamo ye se munhu ye no meka say da bi entwa ye. Na and the president of the land and wadia and America say adia waya amabonsem amano and say watonsa efre all the leaders of the political parties. Ghana has say all the major political parties near watonsa from Emma Wamoba Flagstaff House and at so they are 72 omunim. Same penyufo yare and abaya so. Yare kesie and abaya so we any time a yebeye politics. Yes, Remo Obia enfa the political affiliation into nchen. Na mo political parties in penifo no monfa mo adwembra ni yembobo nsem ho na yenhwe se ne ayare ye beto afri Ghana because ye nna ye Ghana for. And I tell you, even in America, Donald Trump cannot even do this. Say wo frɛ ebia Hillary Clinton and at the Democratic party no wo frɛ wo mo leader no ne o mo aye meeting kyerɛ mo say yare say na abanti mo fa adwembra dabi obehu ne say dabi the Democratic Party no wo mo de beye campaign kra etia no when Ekufuado and a President Ekufuado na ko betumi aye na adwe say I will not invite political parties, I will not invite any political parties bia because many experts ne asofo ne nkrofo akasa. I'll just seek the advice of the experts. We will go for NDC now about na later the acquire campaign say the two the day no yen ye be friend ye ma adwen. But once say san nyama ni na beba ni patrimu. Bisusu say ebia president rekra no obi betu no for say dabi men nyesa men frɛ but he actually went ahead and called all of them and na wo bisa wo mo nso adwen tra wo mo and I make an end my bones my president no. For this whole thing away no, at least for me today, he has shown say yes, what the politics are tone change. For me, at least today, he has shown so the politics are and please, and your politics na ye waha. Uyo be away follow me channel no for very long time. Unim say media MPP government me boom chi papa. Me bo mo chia nkrofo kasa me NDC ni NDC so me bo mo chia nkrofo kasa me MPP ni but at this time say the politics no ebeto nchen na president na eye ade a e wo say ye prisoner e wo say ye prisoner yes obi baka say oh sa corona nsensemi president no yes there are some things there personally that's what I felt. Me feeling say 2-day window na President Ekufuado or the man for the lockdown no amboa because a man krofo bebre etu kwan efri Accra eko mukrum later ebi anasa krofo no omo yare ni bi. That's the same thing that happened in Italy last Magra head crab kan ho asem me yobia me ka say that particular thing the president wanya there but so far I'll praise him and his government within a week. Womanya press conference can be 2 or 3 updating Ghanaians on everything that's going on. And I think they've really done well. Ukwa your neighbors Nigeria. They be a Ghana 4% more comparing with Nigeria. Nigeria, my president no just once. And our Baba addressing nation no embra coronavirus ebae. Ngofu but once per eno president be addressing nation and no buy no. Coronavirus went to me and body were born no COVID-19 no. Nigeria president born no COVID-19. Just say one look nim the AC. So at least, if for nothing at all, Krana, Akufo-Addo aya there. And I just want you to put your politics aside. Now, all the leaders of these top political parties and the major political parties, no, they had something to say. Maybe didn't say including NDC for almost Wamupenya Wakoye, a year Ofuso Ampofo. Inti parties are Ekoye, NDC, obviously, CPP, NDP, PNC, PPP, and MPP for Angasa. Inti as courtesy demands, no, the chairman of the governing MPP, I friend Mr. Freddie Blay, what they same to ya. Now, some of them say to ya, no, what that president now say president say what tunsa, and they say what tunsa for our party pe, what tunsa for all the major political parties. Why you are there? Why you are there, papa? And okay, say a president he senya was so a kunimu de dende no. It is an exemplary thing for people to even learn outside the country to learn. Now Ghana is lucky to have a president like Akufo-Addo during this time. Now same way the chairman of MPP, Mr. Freddie Blay, the same thing the last 2 days. Medebra was say JJ Rawlings. Ononso JJ Rawlings so be kan say embre way Akufo-Addo ye president Ghana ye lucky pass ye nya Akufo-Addo as president. The same thing and Freddie Blay so now PNC for also one presidential candidate I friend of Dr. Edward Mahama and also the same be Tuja was say without unity the virus will devastate us. I applaud your decisive and the formation of the COVID-19 management team. It is a very brilliant one. And also near some PNC for penny na PPP na ke was say Papa Kwesi Indum ankasa na eba bono ankasa wenya ho amba nti maami bi a friend Bridget Dogbenuku ono and our representing no wono so editor just say we are quite happy. Nobody in the world has been here before, and no one here can claim to know how to do it better than anybody else. We are all learning as we go along. Ono so asema wodi tu dwa no say corona yi ento we ase da nti wo bie no abeka say oh this is the best way to go, this is the best way to go. Ye nyina ye den adesua. Eno so ne nsema wodi tu dwa etiefo na owie ya no ena woka say wo hwe ambulances a omampanyi de buy, and you see that's one thing we need to talk about. Isn't it coincidence? Ghana na ye complaining said the whole country the number of ambulances we had last year, the whole country the number of ambulances we had na ye be 55 per the whole country of Ghana. Satan not 10 regions, the whole 10 regions. Now ambulances are not Ghana, you better make boast off. 55. That's our 55 no majority. Ewa Accra netema. Ena Kakrebi ewo Kumasi. And a president got to ambulances over 300 and you see, some ambulances over 300 no, they are being effective in the fight against our corona. Because Obina corona won fear. Ufre ambulance na ambulance ne beba ofie. Inti imagine say anka president na nko to ambulances 300 number. Na nka still Ghana na nka ambulance 55 pe. Na nka no kra no bema corona no kra no na nka ntumi nko entia no. So you see, obi beka say a coincidence. Obi beka say a coincidence because ambulances are new one ye koto no. We are really making good use of them. We are really just say hu kakra Canada corona by we are really making good use of them. Now yanko to a CPP a Ivor Green Street on nonsensema what they etuja or see one no there. He has been a witness of how Abambi Ebaya in Yamabisi or Ghana send ya womo handle no. Na we hu ne say dabi na nado dia ne decisions ene nyama we take no edu twem edu twem kra na wo wie ye no na NDP eya Rawlings ne yere ono ankasa nso ko ginemu na wo da Akufo-Addo ase say actions are we take so far very timely and purposeful to the fight against the pandemic COVID-19 or stress also say the actions you've taken, Mr. President, very timely and purposeful. Not just say in Yama president no just say and nam kwan so e ho na NDC chairman wono so odebetu ja no de na mami read intro say to come together, put our shoulder to the wheel and assist government fight and defeat the pandemic. Edoni asema wakan. He urged all. Wase wono who is obviously Ugokan when asem. You didn't expect him because NDC for people the year politics can say send Akufo-Addo handle sa coronavirus case wanya there. So you don't expect say NDC chairman never call. Now wakwa say Akufo-Addo why you there but the kind say Ghana phone na yemfa ya honden embra ni yemfa nsum na yemfa mboa. Now let me say this. I am really impressed by some people in Ghana. Some people are really making some huge donations. Some people are sharing food on the streets of Accra. Me share interview bi na nkrofo bi chale wo munya baby in that wo mokoda Independence Square because of the lockdown. Some people are going there to share food. People are really doing well. People are really doing well. Na mbre bi say e na ye hia sikafo no. Mo aya ade dodo. Mo try mo ade comment box me tie for me da say.